Hey guys, I'm out here in the woods bird hunting. I told you I was gonna post some hunting videos, not deer hunting. Deer season's almost over and it is the rut, so I don't know how it's gonna be going. But I do have my pellet gun right here, pellets. So, and I'm not gonna be sniping. I was sniping earlier, and it didn't work out. I've only killed one, and that was when I was just walking around shooting birds. So that's what I'm gonna do again. I hear them all over that way, somewhere over there. So we're gonna go take a stroll. Whew. I'm done. Put that on my shoulder. Pellets. Alright, let's go for a walk. Let me put y'all where I can see. Y'all like this? Oh yeah, there's Loretta. We all know her. The crazy one. Hey girl. Hey. Hey, you ate my bird that I killed earlier. Meaner butt. Yeah. Meanie. And also, guys, I've been seeing a rabbit. Been coming out here a lot. But we're gonna see if I can kill him. Because he's been a pest for a while. I see him all the time. I mean, I'm not a pest, but, you know. He's just always around. Always. Actually, I'm a little crazy. Yeah. Oh, my butt's gonna be wet sitting in this chair. Woohoo, that is wet. Alright, so I'm gonna wait here, wait on some birds. Hey, girl. Get hi. Woohoo! Sorry. Hey, if I shoot one, can you do like you always do? Yeah, when I shoot one, can you go get it for me and bring it back like you normally do and not eat it? Yeah. I've already trained you. You just don't listen, you hard head. Ugh, she's crazy. Get off the table. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I had to spit my gum out. Good. I can. Oh, y'all, look at these clouds. Look how cool that is. That is cool. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but those clouds look kind of look like fire flames. Can y'all see them? That's not the ones I'm talking about. I'm talking about the ones over that way. They look like little flames over there. They just look at this. She hears something. What you looking at, Loretta? I'm pretty sure I'm tired of looking at Loretta. But, oh, shout out to my friend Brody Kelly. We rode the bus together. He has a YouTube channel. It is Brody K30406. Go subscribe to him. He's a good friend of mine. He has some Fortnite videos and all kind of stuff. He's a really good friend of mine. We're the same age. He's just a really cool guy. He hunts and fishes just like me. There's a bird over there, but he's way on over there. Yeah, just shout out to him, y'all. Go subscribe to him, help him out. Link, actually, link won't be in the description, but sorry, everybody, if you're watching this, which you know we are. And if you're new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. I need some help. I only have 5 subscribers, and I've only had my channel for about a month. Yeah. My friends are subscribed. Like 2 of my family members are subscribed. I haven't told all my family because I don't want to be embarrassed. For Christmas Eve, when we had our little dinner. Hey girl, what you doing? Alright, get on. Slob all over my... Hey, chill. Dang, she is crazy. Oh, Lord, my hair is all kind of funky. Alright, don't look at my hair, y'all. Yeah, it's all kind of screwed up. Anyway, this taking forever. I've been filming for 6 minutes, and I ain't seen nothing. Thinking about shooting that squirrel's nest right there. See it there? Yeah, I'm about to shoot the squirrel's nest. See what happens. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm finna shoot at it. Let me get my gun loaded. Loretta, move. Loretta. Loretta, no! No! No, Loretta. No. Back. That ain't gonna happen. Woohoo! Hey, chill. I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. She's always in my way. Let me get y'all set up correctly. Let's just stick right here. Sorry, I had to break a stick. Son of a gun. Should be good. You know what? Never mind. Ladies and gentlemen, how are y'all doing today? I want to know, what is y'all's favorite video? What would y'all like for me to do in the comments? I would do all kind of crazy crap. A pond out here and go down there and shoot turtles. Me and my friends do that all the time. Hey, I'm sorry about that airsoft war video. That sucked. It was terrible. Lord, that was probably the worst video of it besides my first one. That was literally the worst video I have ever made. It sucked. It sucked. I did nothing. I mean, filmed for like a minute because my freaking my phone died for a minute. I had to charge it back up. I had to come back outside, and then I filmed that, and then I couldn't get my other footage back. I lost it. So, it messed up. Ain't my fault. I'm sorry. I'm going to film part 2 to this video, so like, subscribe for part 2. I will see y'all on the next one.